So I just want to recreate the look I went out with yesterday. I've made my eyebrow and I use the foundation that is very close to my skin color to line it, and I've blended it out. That is why it's looking like this. So I'm going to be starting with this color, still with my best pal Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession, and I'll be using this color as my transition color. I'm using cotton ball because this is the smallest applicator I have right now. The smallest brush I have is not small enough for the application, so have just finished blending out the transition shade. Next, I'm going to use the deepest brown in the palette. Here, I'm still going to use the same cotton bud, just slightly above my crease area. What I did with the cotton bud was to add a little bit of cotton wool just to make it more fluffy. Next thing is to use black. If you have a deeper shade of brown, you can use that. I don't have, so I'm going to be using the darkest shade in this palette here, which is the black. I'm not going to spread it over, it's just going to be above here. Second eyelid like that. Then I'm going to use this matte eyeshadow in shade light pink. Then I'm going to use this light pink to apply to this side of my eye, just to brighten it up. I think this brush is not as fluffy as the cotton bud that I used. I'm going to be lining my eye with this black eye pencil. I'm going to be applying my foundation. For my foundation, I use the combination of this foundation here. One is light, the other one is dark, but both of them do not have the yellow undertone that I have. So I added this foundation that I've been using for ages. This is the one that has the yellow undertone, but it is too creamy for my liking, so I just add a little bit to it. So I'm going to go in with my fluffy blending puff. The most important thing is to blend the foundation out seamlessly, flawlessly, so that there is a proper, like 100% coverage everywhere. I'm going to be using this foundation as highlighter first to highlight the inner part of my face, because that is the place that blends well with my chest and my neck. All right. I'm going in now with the LA Pro Concealer in Toffee. So I'm going to set my face now. I'm going to contour my nose with this. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be using this one here in the middle for highlight. So I'm going to use a little bit on my nose, and I'll use this brush to apply a little bit to the outer part of my. So I'm going to go back in and touch up on the eyeshadow, the inner part, a little bit here. I'm going to be applying it to the lower part of my eye, around here. I'm going to be applying the mascara just to so the next one now is to use a pink lip gloss. Here we go. So there you are. That is how it was made yesterday, and I'll say thank you for tuning in once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.